This is Sarah with Mobile Commons. Today we're going to go over how to create a message schedule based off of a subscriber's custom time. So what I've done here is create a message schedule campaign. And in order to have a message schedule that is based off of your subscriber's custom time, you're going to want to create a custom field for that time and ask your subscriber to set the time. I'll just show you how my welcome message is set up so you can see an example. So I have my users texting in, and then I ask them, what time do you want your message? I even gave them some examples of time formats so that they send over information that we know is a time of day. Then I've gone ahead and saved this message as a time of day custom field. So as my subscribers text in, they're going to save that custom time of day. You can see I have one opt-in here, and I'm going to go to time of day on my profile, and I have a time set. So now I'm going to go back to that campaign, and I'm going to build out my message schedule. You can use a custom time for message schedules either in a relative or absolute schedule. So it's very flexible. And you're also able to set a default time. So if your subscriber does not have a custom time set, you can go ahead and create a standard time that message is going to go out. Usually we recommend keeping it at a time zone neutral time. So I'm going to build my new message schedule here under campaign actions. And then we have over here on the right some CSV templates. You have an absolute schedule template, and then you also have one with custom time. You have a relative schedule template, and then you have a relative schedule with custom time. And you can pop over to the Help Center to have a little bit more information about how to do this, but we're going to cover everything here in the video as well. So the first thing you want to do is click Allow Subscribers to Choose Custom Delivery Times if you are going to be using a custom time in your message schedule. So then I want to do either actual dates or relative dates. So if you were to do a relative date, you can base that off of any date custom time field or subscription date. The subscription date will be your default if the custom field is blank. So you could do something based on a birth date, use the subscription date as a backup, and also have it at a custom time of day. For us today, we're just going to do an actual send date, so an absolute message schedule as opposed to this relative kind. You can choose your time zone here. You can adjust for time zone so that your recipients are getting it based on their time zone. We know their time zone based on their phone number if we've captured it, although that's not perfect. So the best way to actually get a confirmed time zone is to ask your subscribers for their zip code or their full address. I'm going to hit all at once. There's only me in this message schedule campaign so far, so I know what time zone I'm in. And now we're going to add rows. So you can build, again, upload that CSV, build it out from this template here, or you can just add your rows one by one. I'm just going to add one row here to show you. So here is my date that I want this message sent out. I'm going to say, do something like the 15th of December. And I'm going to put in, this is where I put in my default time. So if I don't have a custom time saved, we are going to send this message out at the default time that I'm putting in this hour and minute, your standard time fields. I'm going to say if I don't have a default time, send it out at noon. And if I do have one, we're going to send it out at my time of day type, which for me is, I believe, either 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So now I'm going to create this. And then I'm able to see that this message is going to go out at my custom time of day field or 12:30 p.m. Eastern if we do not have that field for our subscribers. At this point, I'm going to activate my schedule. I'm just going to get ready to go. And then on the 15th, I'll be receiving my particular message at the custom time that I requested. So that's it for our custom time in message schedules. You can again use this in absolute, you can use this in relative, you can build it out with a CSV template, or you can just upload them row by row. For more information, you can reach out to mc_support@uplandsoftware.com or email your mobile strategist directly.